guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new beautiful scarf tutorial. I have this shell pattern here. It's really easy. You basically only use double crochets and a few chain stitches, but most of it is double crochets, always 5 of them in a pack, and just a beautiful color fade wool here. Here we have kind of these double threads that always have 2 colors, and they're kind of just like switching through. And I think this is a great pastel combination, and also some, more colorful or like more bright colors. But I think, it's really cool. And how exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so let's get started with this really cool ball of yarn, Chic Unique from Rico Design. And these colors are beautiful. It's all pastel-y, and you always have this thread is kind of contains 2 threads that are wrapped around each other. And so it starts here with like a light brown and a pink. Really cute. I had already taken the mill out here, but I will search for the start in a minute. And then the colors are always kind of fading out. It's not knit and like knotted, but it's dyed through. And which color is this? Let's see, it's number 24. And so there's a lot of different colors here, obviously. And I think they're all, beautiful. And this is meant for size 6 crocheting hooks, but you can also use something slightly bigger. But I will use my size 6 for today. And it's 200 grams and 310 meters. 200 grams to 310 meters. It's 75% acrylic, 15 wool, and 10% polyamide. And let me find the beginning and let's go. All right, so this is the beginning with my size 6 crocheting hook, and we're going to start with a magic circle. We will wrap the thread around the fingers, go through with our hook and pull the thread through. Okay, and now we will start with 3 chain stitches. 2 and 3, and then we crochet 4 double crochets into the circle. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, so what have we done? Into the magic circle. That's what we started with. I added 4 double crochets and 3 chain stitches. The 3 chain stitches are the same height as a double crochet. And so we have the structure of 5, kind of. I will pull the magic circle closed, and then we have this small, let's call it a triangle, or a little shell, that kind of comes from the magic circle there. Then we continue with the next row. For that we will start again with 3 chain stitches. 3. Okay, we will start every row with 3 chain stitches. And now in between the 2 double crochets we have here from the row before, we go just in between and crochet 4 double crochets. So it's going to be a little crowded. 3, okay, let's take a little more wool here to continue. And number 4. These are the chain stitches on the outside, and then the 4 double crochets. Then we continue on the very edge here again of the other shell below. So we go in between the 3 chain stitches of the row before and the first double crochet that we crocheted, and there we will add 5 double crochets. So it's always packs of 5, and at the very beginning of each row we start with 3 chain stitches. Okay, so these areas between the first and last, or whichever side you're looking from, so there's Obviously we're creating these bigger holes kind of because we're squeezing 4 or 5 double crochets in between. And these are, yeah, on the left here 5 double crochets, and on the right the chain stitches and the 4 double crochets. And let's continue with row number 3 already. We're starting again with 3 chain stitches, turn it around, and then again we will poke through here in between the 2 double crochets, and we add 4 double crochets here, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will continue here in between the 2 packs, the 2 shells. That's what we go into, and we will add 5 more double crochets. So we're not going actually into the stitch, but always kind of just in between. And here we're always, yeah, fully in between the 2 packs, the 2 shells. Then here again we have 2 of these, and now to finish off this row we will add in between the chain stitches and the 4 double crochets another 5 double crochets. And as you can see here, this triangle shape is developing, and we always have exactly the same amount of packs, amount of shells, as it is, you know, the number of rows. So 1 in the first, 2 in the second, 3 in the third. In the fourth one, we will put 1 on the very outside, then in the in-betweens, and then 1 more on the very outside. So we will have 4 in the 4th row also. And I will show you this one as well. Let's see if we already get a color change here. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, turn it around. Then here in between we go, and we add 4 double crochets. Okay, so 4 done. Then go in between the 2 packs, add 5 double crochets. Okay, now we have 3, 4, and number 5. Okay, now into the next in between. Again, 5 double crochets, 3, 4. Okay, and as you can see, it's kind of fast once you're in the rhythm. And now we're back on the outside, so we will go in between the chain stitches and the double crochets and add another 5 double crochets. 4 and number 5. Okay. Now we can see what this looks like already. So we have 4 of these arches, or like 4 of these shells. And so the color fade has actually not happened yet in this row. But I will see you again when I have the color fade here in between the orange, which is very bright, and the next colors. Okay, then I will give you an update. All right, so this is my update, and you can see here that I had a little bit really of the orange and the brown together. But here we have 4 packs with only the orange and the pink, and then the color changes. And now we have the orange and the like white or like very light color. And now we are, yeah, we're back. So this is the next color change is coming up. This time only one color will change. In the other one before there was one and then the other, but it was very quick. This time I think it'll be a little slower. Okay, so this is the next part, and we have the change here. So it's dyed through. The orange is a very quick fade here into the brown. And yeah, so the color from the orange to the brown isn't even like wide enough, long enough for one double crochet. But so now, yeah, it's switching from orange to brown. And I think the mixture here together with a very, very light pink just looks, yeah, very interesting already. And you can see the first pack here already in the new color. And what you can also see now is the actual shape here and the pattern, right? So how nicely they fit together, and the shells just look really, really great. And we obviously have a lot more wool left over here with really nice colors that I'm excited for. And yeah, just excited for all these pastels and brown colors. This pink and the blue is also really cool. And I think I will give you another update soon. All right, guys, so here's my other update. And I think we have reached quite a nice size here. It's about a 1.60 m on the long side. And you can see all the different colors here that we had across, these crochets. So we started with the pink and the brown. Then we went to the orange. That is probably the brightest color we had. And then it's more of a yellow. And then the rose got slimmer and slimmer and longer, obviously. That's why they got slimmer. I don't think the colors actually changed faster, but obviously because, the rows get much longer, it seems like they're getting shorter. And then here we only had, with the blue and the brown, and then the pink with the blue, we only get like one row out of it. And here we have a really nice change in between one of the rows. And I'm going to show you the scarf here on the very outside edge. So this is the color change here. But I really like how deep we go here with the stitches. So it's more like connected. And then here we come through this yellow and gray. And these are mixed, and we're going to the other peak. And here, actually, I accidentally pulled out 2 of the double crochets, so I'm just adding them here again. And with that, I'm going to finish off the scarf. I'm going to cut off the thread I have. Oh, look, there's another pink. I have a little bit of wool left, but I don't think this is going to be enough for another row. And so, yeah, I think this is big enough for now. And I can probably use these leftovers here for something else. I definitely will keep them and find something to use them for. And yeah, with that, our scarf is done. We have beautiful colors here, and obviously you have to hide still the beginning and the end thread. And then we're done. And I think, yeah, the size is really, really great. The beautiful colors and the nice pattern. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you back here again next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!